Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Sarah, and we're the Global Geezers.
We are in Innsbruck right now, but we are traveling to Verona, Italy today.
Which means we're going through the Alps, and we're taking the train, and it's a clear day, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, it snowed recently, so it should be beautiful. If you've never gone through the Alps, this is what it looks like going through on a first-class seat on a train through the Alps.
So excited.
So let's go. The train tracks are up on your left, up above, but a beautiful day though. Sunny, a good day for a train ride. We have the 11:24 train, so we have a few minutes to wait.
Yay!
They have really dirty windows, so yeah. This is what a first-class cabin looks like. But it's nice that we do have the full cabin to ourselves. So far, that can change at any station.
We have our own plugs, and we have our own little tables that fold away or fold out. I need to go find the coffee car.
Yeah, it's a pretty standard bathroom. So nothing spectacular, kind of.
Here's our printed ticket that they gave us at the train station when we purchased it. And of course it's all in German, but there's a wagon number and seat numbers for when you buy a first class, and you only get seats if you pay an extra small fee, a few euros, to pick your seats or actually have your seats assigned. So we did that, and so we held our Google Translate up to make sure that we knew what everything means. So we knew the wagon number, the seat numbers, all those, because people just came to this cabin and thought that they had one of our seats, and when they pulled this out, it had a different wagon number. So it's really challenging to see some of the numbers on here. When we first got here, there were people in our seats, and they thought that they were in the right spot, but they couldn't find their seat numbers on here. So it's not the easiest thing, and you just kind of have to be patient and help people when they don't really know where they're supposed to sit or where to find their seat numbers. So it's a challenge, but hey.
Looks like we hit the snow level. Wow. Yeah, that's a road up there. They just put the roads and carve them into the side of the hills, and lots of bridges, lots of tunnels.
Lunch with a view.
We are coming to our first stop, Brenner. We're up there. We got snow all over the place now. Brenner is the city between Italy and Austria. So Austria is behind us and Italy is, well, behind me.
Actually, we just passed the border. We're actually in Italy now. See, it's just on the other side of us. We just passed it. Ooh, coffee guy is coming. Thank you.
We are missing so many great scenes because the camera doesn't turn on fast enough.
Well, they are missing.
Well,
You're missing all the great scenes because by the time we turn the camera on, yeah, it's too late for. I mean, there's so much more that is not in this video because we're just not quick enough, and the camera's not quick enough.
That is epic. Look at that thing. That is so cool. You don't see that in the States.
Si informano i signori viaggiatori che tra pochi minuti arriveremo nella stazione di Bolzano, prossima fermata Bolzano. Sehr geehrte Fahrgäste, in wenigen Minuten erreichen wir Bolzano, nächster Halt, Bolzano. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we'll arrive in Bolzano, next stop Bolzano, Bolzano.
That's a pretty shot right there.
Yeah, except all the buildings and cranes.
It's okay, but you still got the mountains behind it. All these cute little towns just nestled into the mountainside. That's just so beautiful. And just vineyards everywhere.
Observatory, looks like.
Yeah. Or some kind of cathedral.
Or mausoleum.
A mausoleum. Mm-hmm. Hey, we're getting closer to Verona. We've got another about a half an hour before we're in Verona. It's a 3.5 hour train ride from Innsbruck to Verona. Okay, I think that's the first class. I think we've got second class, first class. Because we have a 3 seats, but there's a lot of ones that just have 2 seats.
Oh yeah?
We got ripped off. I always need to find a taxi. Taxi, sir. There's no Uber here, so you got to get a taxi. Welcome to Verona. That was a beautiful train ride.
It was absolutely gorgeous. We couldn't film enough.
Nope.
As soon as something would show up, we'd grab the camera and then bushes would show up or trees would show
Yeah.
up and block our view. But hopefully we were able to capture enough so that,
You get an idea.
yeah.
If you are in Munich and you are going down into Italy, I highly recommend you take that train. It's
Yeah.
it's an hour and 45 minutes from Munich to Innsbruck and 3.5 hours from Innsbruck to Verona and another hour and 45 minutes to
Bologna.
Bo-
Bologna.
Bologna, yes. And then if you're going to go down into Florence or something like that, it's another thing. But it's just a gorgeous ride. It really is.
And it's relaxing,
It is.
and it was very pleasant.
Yes, it
so
was.
I would definitely do it again. In fact, originally before we booked going to Verona, we were thinking about stopping in Trento, which we stopped and showed you.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't stop, but the train stopped to pick
Yeah.
up more people. But that looked really beautiful.
Yep, it did. Next week, you get to see Verona.
Yay!
But until then,
Bye.
there seems to be some. There's some. I did it.
Way to go!
I did it.
Way to go!
Sarah's way ahead of me, though. She's so much better at this.
No, you're a lot faster.
Shh, don't tell people I'm so fast.
Well, at least you got it.
I'll have to slow that down because I kind of got a wall and a tunnel.
Here. Visit now.
Oh, wow.
And now you shall not.
Yeah, you should not see it.
Stop sign. Cool fort.
It is like a fort.
All right. There you go.
Did you catch that? I lost.
Yeah, that's how amazing it was.